Hi, I'm Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors, and I'm actually standing in front of my home, which was a ranch home built in 1957, was pretty plain. Well, after living in the home a couple years, I decided to remodel it. And what I decided to do is I decided to change everything out. The windows, the siding, the roofing, the doors, pretty much everything. Now, whenever we do a larger project like this with a lot of moving pieces, we like to bring a designer in, Katie Hartzog from Hartzog Design. And she helps us put everything together so everything looks great. Because once you spend a lot of money in your home, you don't want it looking like it wasn't put together right. So one of the things we did is we brought out a stone siding with a lot of different colors. We added into that by blending that in with a darker blue siding, which is trending, white trim. A new front entry door with a nice brown stain, an overhead garage door to match. We actually added a 2-light sliding patio door in the back of the home. Plus, we did a new rain removal system to help take the water away from the foundation. If you'd like to find out more how Key Exteriors could help you improve the exterior of the home, contact us at keyexteriors.com, call us at 492-8062, or stop into the showroom at 821 West Coliseum Boulevard.